കേരള PSC കണ്ടക്ട് ചെയ്ത സാനിറ്ററി കെമിസ്ട്രിൻ്റെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പറാണ് നമ്മൾ ഇന്ന് നോക്കാൻ പോകുന്നത്. ആദ്യത്തെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ, ദി പെർമിസിബിൾ വാല്യൂ ഓഫ് ടെർബിഡിറ്റി ഫോർ ഡ്രിങ്കിങ് വാട്ടർ ഇൻ സിലിക്ക ടെർബിഡിറ്റി യൂണിറ്റ് ഈസ് 10 ppm. Which among the following is not an example for artificial sweetener? Answer, ethyl maltol. Third question, Magrath oxygen cell for dissolved oxygen measurement is used in membrane electrode method. Third question, permanent black dyes are often produced by para-phenyl-diamine. Fifth question, benzyl dimethyl octyl ammonium chloride is an example for cationic detergent. Sixth question, which among the following is most essential to be included in the recipe for making toothpaste? Answer is calcium pyrophosphate and sodium dodecyl sulfate. Seventh question, reagent commonly used to determine the hardness of water trigonometrically is? Answer, disodium salt of ethyl diamine tetraacetic acid. Eighth question, a precipitate of 0.110 gram of CaC2O4 H2O was obtained from 250 ml of water sample. Express the content of calcium in ppm. Answer is 120 ppm. Ninth question, high density polyethylene, low density polyethylene, polystyrene and polypropylene can be identified by using SPI resin identification codes respectively in the following order. Answer, 2, 4, 6, 5. 10th question, which among the following statements are considered suitable regarding the softening of water? Answer is B. 1 and 4 are correct. 11th question, bismuth vanadate, lithophone, mineral hematite and copper phthalocyanate pigments are used for giving following colors respectively. Answer is yellow. Answer is A. Option A, yellow, white, red, blue. 12th question, which of the following statements regarding a lipstick are incorrect? Answer is D. 1 and 2. 13th question is an example for carbamate pesticide. Answer is C. Carbofuran. 14th question, match the following with respect to BIS specifications on drinking water quality as per IS 10500/2012. And the answer is D. And the answer is option D. 15th question, maximum density of water occurs at? Answer is option B, 39.2 degree Fahrenheit. 16th question, the maximum percentage of carbon present in urea is? Answer, option D, 20%. 17th question, how many of the following compounds show intramolecular hydrogen bonding? Answer is option C, 3. 18th question, which among the following statements regarding fertilizers are not correct? Answer is option C, statement 3rd. 19th question, chemical coagulation and filtration process involved in wastewater treatment is carried out during? Answer is option B, tertiary treatment. Question number 20, Buna N and Buna S are formed when 1,3-butadiene combines with the following compounds in the presence of sodium respectively. Answer is option A, CH2 double bond CH single bond Cn and CH2 double bond CH single bond C6H5. 21st question, name the scientist who was not involved in developing the theory of indicators. Answer is option D, Albert Einstein. 22nd question, if you decided to perform a weak acid strong Base titration. Which of the following would you use as an indicator? Answer is option A, phenolphthalein. 23rd question. Determine the number of moles of Ag twice CrO4 that will dissolve in 1 liter of 0.010 molar K2CrO4 solution given that Kap of Ag2CrO4 is equal to 9.0 into 10 raised to minus 12. Answer is option B, 1.5 into 10 raised to minus 5. Question number 24. Most electrical mishaps are caused by. Answer option D, all of the above. Question number 25. Which category of flammable liquid does the solvent isopropanol belong to? Answer is option C, class 2. The sixth question. Pictograms on the GHS safety data sheet or labels are. Answer option C, symbols that give you specific information about chemical hazards. 27th question. Which of the following information cannot be found in MSDS? Answer is option B, medicine to be taken by the affected person if exposed to the chemicals. Next question, 28th one. The process of titration that takes place between KCl and AgNO3 is commonly referred to as option A, precipitation titration. 29th question. The number of gram mole of the solute per kilogram of solution is known as. Answer option B, molality. 30th question. Choose a compound that is not a metallochromic indicator. Answer is option A, methyl orange. 31st question. What does the strength of an acid depend upon? Answer is option C, the extent to which the acid ionizes. Question number 32. According to the SHAB principle, hard acid. Answer is option number D, not very polarizable. Next, question number 33. When a non-volatile solute is added to a solvent, what is the difference in vapor pressure expressed as a fraction of original vapor pressure equal to? Answer is option A, mole fraction of solute in liquid phase. Question number 34. The molarity of ammonia in an aqueous solution is 11.9 mole dm raised to minus 3. Calculate the fraction ammonia in the solution. The solution density is 0.92 grams centimeters minus 2 centimeter raised to minus 3, and the answer is option A, 0.229. 35th question. Which of the following may not be a strong electrolyte? Answer option B, ammonia. Question number 36. Formic acid has a concentration of 0.1 molar and Ka is 1.77 into 10 raised to minus 4. What is the value of the degree of dissociation? Answer is option D, 4.2. Question number 37. Calculate the work performed when 2 moles of hydrogen expand isothermally and reversibly at 25 degrees Celsius from 15 to 45 liters. Answer is option C, minus 1309.7 calorie. 38th question. The rate law relates the rate of a chemical reaction to. Answer option B, the concentration of reactants. Question number 39. According to the collision model, the atoms located at the peak of the potential energy hill are referred to as. Answer is option D, transition state. 40th question. The maximum efficiency of a heat engine can be achieved when. Answer is option C, the temperature of the source is maximum and that of the sink is minimum. 41st question. In pure water at 25 degrees Celsius, the concentration of water is. Answer is option A, 55.5 molar. 42nd question. Ion product Kw of water at 25 degrees Celsius is. Answer is option Option C, 1 into 10 raised to minus 14 m raised to 2. Question number 43. The concentration of H plus ion in a solution is 10 raised to 0 mole. Then pOH of that solution is. Answer is option B, 14. 44th question. Which of the following statement is are correct? Answer is option B, only third. 45th question. Sphingomyelin is composed of. Answer is option D, sphingosine, fatty acid and phosphocholine. 46th question. Which of the following components presents alters the fluidity of plasma membrane? Answer is option A, cholesterol. 47th question. Which of the following sentences about mitochondria is or are correct? Answer is option C, only 1, 2 and 3. 48th question. Which of the following sentences about colloidal solution is or correct? Answer is option C, only 2 and 3. 49th question. Which of the following is not a high energy compound? Answer is option D, glycerol 3-phosphate. 50th question. Which one of the following is an example of emulsion? Answer is option A, milk. 51st question. Name the type of rotor in which tubes containing the samples are placed at an angle of 30 degrees Celsius to the horizontal. Answer is option B, fixed angle rotor. 52nd question. Which of the following is not used as a gradient material in density gradient centrifugation? Answer is option D, agarose. 53rd question. Vitamin D is detected in thin layer chromatography by. Answer is option B, antimony trichloride. 54th question. Strong cation exchange resins have a dash functional group. Answer is option B, sulfonate. 55th question. A safety measure to prevent radiation hazards is. Answer is option B, storing radioactive samples in thick walled lead containers. 56th question. Which among the following is the least preferred carrier gas in gas chromatography? Answer is option A, hydrogen. 57th question. The half-life of radioisotope iodine-131 is. Answer is option B, 8 days. 58th question. Denaturing agents used in gel electrophoresis disturb the proteins. Answer is option B, secondary structure. 59th question. The absorbance of a blue-green solution has to be measured using a colorimeter. The preferred wavelength range is. Answer is option A, 650 to 700 nanometer. 60th question. Which among the following statements is correct for the radiation source and wavelength in a UV visible spectrophotometer? Answer is option C, deuterium arc lamp for 190 to 400 nanometer. 61st question. Which among the following is a non-competitive inhibitor of the enzyme pyruvate kinase? Answer is option D, alanine. 62nd question. The principal technique not used for immobilization of enzyme is? Answer is option C, ionic bonding. 63rd question. Which among the following factors do not affect the rate of enzyme catalyzed reaction? Answer is option C, enzyme size. 64th question. Therapeutic enzymes have. Answer is option C, low Km and high Vmax. 65th question. Acetylcholine esterase belongs to the dash class of enzymes. Answer is B, hydrolase. 66th question. Which among the following catalytic strategies is followed by chymotrypsin? Answer is option A, covalent catalysis. 67th question. Example of a lysosomal enzyme is? Answer is option B, cathepsin D. 68th question. Which among the following coenzymes has the quaternary nitrogen of the thiazole ring as active or functional moiety? Answer is option C, thiamine pyrophosphate, TPP. 69th question. ADAPT is? Answer is option B, antibody directed absine prodrug therapy. 70th question. The slope of Lineweaver-Burk plot is equal to? Answer is option B, Km by Vmax. 71st question. Which statement is correct? Answer is option A, greater the numerical aperture, the greater the resolving power. 72nd question. Which type of microscope is more suitable to examine hanging drop preparation of microorganisms? Answer is option B, dark field microscope. 73rd question. Which culture method is used to isolate both aerobic and anaerobic organisms from a sample? Answer is option B, pour plate method. 74th question. Identify a semi-solid media. Answer is option C, Schwartz media. 75th question. Name the selective media to isolate Staphylococcus aureus. Answer is option D, mannitol salt agar. 76th question. Which statement is correct for Negative staining. Answer is option A. Negative staining employs the use of acidic stain. 77th question. The catalyst present in the gas pack anaerobic system. Answer is option D. Palladium. 78th question. Why vegetative cells are more sensitive to heat than spores? Answer is option B. Higher level of water activity of vegetative cells than spores. 79th question. Which method of sterilization is known as cold sterilization? Answer is option C. Radiation. 80th question. Which of the following is not a gaseous sterilizing agent? Answer is option D. Phenol. 81st question. The protozoan pathogen causing primary amoebic meningoencephalitis, which is a waterborne disease, is option C. Neisseria fowleri. 82nd question. Sanitary survey is the answer is option A. Inspection of the water system. 83rd question. During water purification, rapid sand filters are used for. Answer is option B. To physically trap fine particles and flakes. 84th question. What is the main objective of testing for the presence of coliforms during water analysis? Answer is option A. To indicate possible fecal contamination. 85th question is, the test procedure used to measure the amount of oxygen used by microorganisms to oxidize the organic matter in sewages. Answer is option C. Biochemical oxygen demand. 86th question. The constructed wetlands used for wastewater treatment, which type of aquatic plants can maintain the root zone in an anaerobic state? Answer is option B. Emergent plants. 87th question. 2-chloro-6-trichloromethylpyridine nitropyrin is added during the BOD test to treated effluent water to inhibit. Answer is option C. Nitrogen oxygen demand. 88th question. COLILERT minimal media ONPG muck test is a direct test for microbiological water quality analysis which can be used to. Answer is option A. Determine both total coliforms and E. coli within 24 hours. 89. Which of the following is not a coliform? Answer is option C. Serratia. 90th question. A major health concern in water disinfection is the formation of carcinogenic trihalomethanes, and this is associated with which method of water disinfection? Answer is option D. Chlorination. 91st question. Which term describes the inability of microorganisms to degrade xenobiotic chemical compounds? Answer is option B, recalcitrants. 92nd question. The approach of biodegradation by adding easily metabolized organic matter along with the compound to be degraded is known as. Answer is option C, co-metabolism. 93rd question. Many filamentous cyanobacteria fix atmospheric nitrogen by means of special cells called. Answer is option A, heterocyst. 94th question. Which of the following establishes symbiotic associations with leguminous plants to fix nitrogen? Answer is option B, rhizobium. 95th question. What is biogeochemical cycling? Answer is option A. The cycling of chemical elements and compounds involving biological and chemical processes. 96th question. Anammox is the. Anaerobic oxidation of ammonia to gaseous nitrogen. 97th question. Superbug, which have increased capability of hydrocarbon degradation, was patented by. Answer is option B, Anand Mohan Chakrabarty. 96th question. 98th question. Which of the following is a photosynthetic bacterium? Answer is option C, chlorobium. 99th question. Which among the following is not a fungal biopesticide? Answer is option C, Bacillus thuringiensis. 100th question and final question. Which of the following is not true regarding composting? Answer is option D. Methane is the major end product of composting.